In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to Workspace on Trello. If you're collaborating with a team, inviting people at the workspace level makes it easy for them to access shared boards, contribute to tasks, and stay in the loop. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to expect, with a few tips to keep everything smooth and secure. Start by opening Trello and navigating to the workspace where you want to add teammates. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to invite members. On the Workspace home, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Members. This takes you to the member management area where you can see who already had access and manage invitations. If you don't see members, you might be viewing a single board. Switch back to the Workspace view or check that you have the right permissions. On the Members page, look for the option labeled Invite Workspace Members. It might appear as a button or link near the top of the page. Click it to open the invite panel. This is your starting point for adding new collaborators, and it keeps everything centralized so you can track who's pending and who's active. In the invite field, type the person's email address. Double check for typos. An incorrect address will send your invite into the void and slow down onboarding. If you're adding more than one person, you can paste multiple emails, separated by spaces or commas, depending on what Trello supports in your view. Keep things secure by only inviting people who genuinely need access, and avoid entering any personal details beyond the email itself. If you see a drop-down for roles or permissions during this step, choose the most appropriate default access for your team. You can always refine permissions later at the board level. When you're ready, click Send Invite. Trello will email the person a link to join your workspace. You'll see their status as pending until they accept. If they already use Trello with that email, they may be added right away. If they don't receive the email, ask them to check spam or filtered folders. Made a mistake? You can cancel or remove a pending invitation from the members list. That's it. You've added people to your Trello workspace. After they join, add them to specific boards, adjust roles if needed, and keep your workspace tidy by reviewing membership periodically. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.